Analysis trends. In this video, we are going to learn about combin DAX function, which is nothing but you'll find the number of combinations can be made out of the items. So let us use ChatGPT first to understand how exactly the combin function can be used with an input and output data. So the basic understanding of this is, let's say you got five different items and you need to prepare a three combinations of item every time. How many possible outcomes can you build it is 10. So for example, you got five different, right? So you got five different A, B, C, D, E, and every time you need to build a three combination output. And what are the possible outcomes without repetitions are 10. So in similar way, when you go to combine function here under dax.guide, and you will able to see you got one code here. When I copy that code and paste it into the dax.do and run the code, you should be able to see I get a combinations of all the possible outcomes for the number of items and number of combination I need to build. So let us take one example. So we got 3, 2 as combination, right? So combine 3 comma 2. That means I have three items, that is A, B, and C, and I'm returning. So I need to build a combination of two items out of three items every time. How many combinations I will be building it? So in this way, we are doing combine of 3 2 and returns 3 counting. That means it actually has 3, and when you build two combination of output, the first combination can be AB, that is true, then BC, that is true, and then AC. Now this is without repetition. That means we got three different combinations and the output for 3 2 is 3, which is correct: AB, BC, and AC. Similarly, 4 1, for example, A, B, C, D are the four combination, and you want to build only one combination, oh sorry, one item as one single combination. The possible outcome can be built as 4. So for example, A, B, C, D, and then you want to build a 4 1 combination, or let's say 4 2 combination for now. Then let's see how many combinations can we build. So one is AB, which is already there, one is BC, which is already there, one is AC, which is already there. Let us build other ones. So what are missing ones? So the possible combination is AD without repetition. Then the other possible combination was or is BD, which is missing, B and D. And the other combination I would say is CD, C comma D. So the output here is returning as 6, right? Six different combinations. 4 out of 4, we are actually taking two combination as one output. And how many possible combinations can we build for two items together from 4 is what it actually brings out, and the value I get is 6. So this is all about combine function. Now what's the difference between combine and combine A function? The only difference between combine and combine A function is it actually also looks for the repetition. That means if I go to the previous example, and if I go with A, B, and C, now the possible outcomes are 3, right? But if you do it in a reverse way, you also get BA, you get CB, and you get CA. So the possible outcome for 3 2, the earlier one was 3, but in combine A, let us do a combine A here. For 3 2, the possible outcome for this should be 6, because we are also calculating repeating. So let us see what we get, and we got 6. So that's the actual difference between combine and combine A. So the only difference between combine and combine A is it actually a combine uses without repetition, is a without repetition function, and combine A is with repetition function. So thanks for watching. Stay connected and see you in next video.